you go. Now you can see me. Oh, over my hood.
What? Oh, it's on my nose. Well, it was on my nose.
Get it off.
Dude, my lips are so dry.
Yes, I know. My hair is a mess.
Look at my lips.
They are dry.
I'm just waiting for some salt to go on my nose.
Oh, I'm getting. My camera's getting wet. It's all in my hair. It looks like you have dandruff. Oh, all in my hair. It got in my eyelashes. It went into my eye. It went into my eye.
Bro, I got the dandruff.
I got some.
I got like 3 pieces.
We're just standing in the middle of the road. All right. Let's get out of the road before we look like maniacs.
We already do.
I got a big ass clump.
Sell it.
It was in my
Yummy.
hair.
It evaporated.
Hair check. Do a hair check. Like, go like this.
I got a giant hump in my hair. Damn.
No, on your hair.
No,
Do like a hair
look
check.
at your hair. Damn.
Bombastic side eye.
Hair check. Dandruff.
So we live in Washington, so like we don't really get a lot of snow. So that's why we're like so excited about this. I feel like the rest of the I feel like everybody else is always like is starting to get sick of the snow, but we're just like, we finally got snow after
I got
2,000
one like on the corner
years.
of my mouth.
This big ass clump.
Damn.
Yummy, man.
The dandruff is coming back.
Starting to get in my eyes. I don't like that.
It's just a fact.
12 seconds later.
Y'all, it's snowing so much right now. Look at me.
What the fuck?
At my tail. Oh, goddamn. I'm covered in snow. Hey, it's good for one of our first snows of the year. Anyways, toodaloo.